Hi there! Today we will put together a tractor. Tractor has wheels of two different sizes, a little ladder, front and rear fenders, a cab for our driver, a hood, mufflers and an exhaust pipe. The red tractor is ready. As you see, it has a red trailer. It is going somewhere. The crane is also here. And what beautiful figures we have here. How many are there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a house for our figures. For each figure, we have to find a hole that matches the shape. Circle, yes. Triangle. Square. No, it doesn't fit here. Maybe here. Right. Rectangle. Heart. Star. A concrete mixer is a machine for making concrete. It consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. This is a mixer drum. Then comes the rear pedestal on which the drum is mounted. The mixer drum is attached to the chassis. The support frame is under the chassis. Then let's put on the wheels, a seat, a steering wheel to control the machine, instrument panel, an engine and the front fenders. Let's attach a cab with its door and window. A gas tank, funnel and a ladder. Now the back and front lights and the side marker light. The last details that are left to assemble are the roof, marker light, bumper, grille, a little ladder and the exhaust pipe. Done. Now let's look how it works. Concrete transmit mixer trucks are used to transport concrete to a work site. Houses cannot be built without stones and concrete. For the completion of this house, we need a door, windows, a roof, chimney, and the fence with its door. The job is done. Bye! Hi everyone! For assembling a monster truck, we need a frame. It's common for monster trucks to have shocks on both the rear and front suspension. A seat for the driver, a steering wheel to control the car, a cab, a door, and rear fender, an exhaust pipe, a bumper, mufflers, grille, windows and windshield. Now let's put on the wheels. A monster truck, which is purposely built with extremely large wheels and suspension. They are used for competitions and popular sport entertainment. It can go through difficult obstacles, smash cars, jump many times, make flips, backflips, even not afraid of bombs. What a powerful monster truck we have! Hi there! Building new things is always so much fun, isn't it? We are going to build a garbage truck. At the heart of every garbage truck are its basic elements, like wheels, which are attached to the frame, gas tank for storing gasoline, a little ladder, bumper, a seat, steering wheel, engine, mufflers, grille, front fenders, a cab, a door, window, container arm and container fork and lights, bucket, tailgate, lifting mechanism. The garbage truck is ready. It is designed to carry heavy loads. As you see, it is a rear loading garbage truck. What does a garbage truck do? Yes, it goes through the streets collecting all the rubbish. It lifts the bin upside down and bumps the trash. Now let's sort the trash with the help of this truck. Metal goes to the metal trash bin. Paper trash goes to the paper bin. Plastic bottles go to the plastic trash bin. That's all. Hello, can you guess what we're going to build today? A tractor. Tractors have wheels of 2 different sizes. Small front wheels and rear big wheels, a cab, a hood to protect the engine, rear and front fenders, ladder, mufflers and an exhaust pipe. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle. Most commonly, it is used in construction and agriculture. By attaching the ripper to the tractor, we'll plough the land and prepare it for growing crops. A little bit of water, a little bit of sun, the work is done. Will you help me with the harvest? Here also we'll use a tractor to harvest the crop. Wheat is a very important plant. This grain is ground to make flour for bread, cakes, bagels, biscuits and pasta. Kids, today we are going to put together an excavator. Let's start with a frame, then let's attach the driver's cab. This is the boom. Now we add the arm and the bucket. Counterweight, engine and the trucks. The excavator is ready. The excavator is a very important machine. It's used for digging trenches, holes and foundations. The large, powerful arm is operated by a hydraulic system to dig and transfer large amounts of dirt in the bucket. Now we'll transfer the fertiliser with the help of a dump truck. We'll add it to the soil to increase the fertility. It is very essential for the growth of plants. Some water and soon we'll see the result. Here is the result. Ripe, red, delicious apples. I can't wait to try them. What about you? Oh, wait a minute, we can't leave them here. Where are you, excavator? Dump truck? Help us to take the apples to the store. Look, there are other fruit and vegetables here too. It's very interesting. What vehicle are we going to build today? A bulldozer. The major components of a bulldozer are the frame, small front wheels and big rear wheels, a cab, where the controls are located, a hood, an exhaust pipe, ladder, mufflers and the blade located at the front of the tractor. Our bulldozer has some tasks to do at the children's playground. Here we are. The dump truck is waiting for us. Look, it has a colourful ball in its box. Let's unload them. The bulldozer with the blade on the front will help us to move these balls to the construction site. This is an excavator. It will help us to dig a hole. Now let's use a bulldozer to put all the balls into the hole. Well done, bulldozer, well done. And what's left? Oh yes, of course, the fences. Come on, kids. Slides, swings and colourful balls are waiting for you.
Please click on the picture to see other funny videos.